Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review another site called Dollah.co. It's an alternative site to Freecash, and it has very many options to make money. And you can see they have so many things here. You can complete offers, Savage Junkie offers, Pandora box offers. You can also register on the site. Just click on sign up. After clicking on the sign up, you'll be taken to the normal signing up process, whereby you have to put your email address and also to confirm. But since I already signed up, just click sign in for now. You go straight to the account, but remember you have to sign in the email and you have to confirm your email in order to activate your account. Then this is the site for earning. It has various offers. You can click them through here. The one I'm browsing here, so it's a very junky and so many other offers which are very good for making money. So you can also, for example, if you complete a very junky offer, you'll be paid 1,125 points, which is around $1. Then there is featured points, there is bitrabs, Savage Junkie, and so many other options. But my favorite, which I work on this site, is CPX and bitrabs, because they are very easy service for me to do. But you can also play games to earn more points. You can do so many other stuff to make money on Dollah.co. So you can see popular ones is bitrabs, Savage Junkie. You can complete Savage Junkie offer and get this money, easy money. There is your surveys here. There is CPX. There is Savage Junkie again. But Savage Junkie, just complete an offer and you get paid. Also during my activities, you're going to see that I completed a Savage Junkie offer worth of 83 points. So basically, these are sites like Freecash, but with more options, and their minimum cash out is around 50 cents. So it's a very good site to work on. They also have games for those people who like gaming. You can make money through gaming. They also have various providers like AdGate, Offertoro, Rotabri, Monrix, Ayet Studios, AdGame, and bitrabs. So let's go to my profile right now. Under profile, you can see that I have balance of 1,660, which is around $1.60. Yesterday I had made a withdraw area. So far I have earned a total of 3,021 points, which are around $3. I completed a Savage Junkie offer, you can see there. And also you can see from my account, I have done so many bitrab surveys, because that's my favorite. They are very easy to do. Bitrabs and CPX surveys, they are very easy to do. So from the history, you see, I like CPX and bitrabs on this site. And their cash out is very instant. One thing I like about the Dollah.co, their cash out is very instant. For example, here I cash out Litecoin 2 days ago. $1,661 points, which is around 3 cents. Let me show you proof that it landed to my account. You see, under deposits here, you can see this is the amount that I received. Yes, around $1 worth of LTC, $1.03 worth of. This is that one now. But today I'm going to do another live withdraw. I show you how it works. So let's go now to make a withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you click on the shop part at the top bottom top left corner of the whatever. You can withdraw using PayPal, Visa card, Amazon, but you're going to use Litecoin today. You just enter your Litecoin address from your wallet. After entering, just enter the amount you want to withdraw. It's pretty easy. Once you enter the amount you want to withdraw, so just input the amount. For example, my amount here is around 1,660 points, which is around $1.60. Then you just click withdraw. Click withdraw there. After clicking withdraw, you see my balance will be transferred automatically. The best thing about Dollah.co, the withdraw is instant. You don't need to have a verified PayPal. You only need a wallet address and a good proxy to do your work. So for those people who don't have a USA PayPal, this is a very good site to withdraw using Litecoin. And you can see that my withdrawal will only take around seconds to hit my wallet. You can see here for the notification, my RTC is in my wallet. It's very fast. It's very fast to withdraw. So you go to my profile again, and you see I'll show you the number of transactions I've done. Now this is the second transaction I've done, and it will be very easy to see that on my withdrawals. And you can also confirm on the blockchain to prove that the amount has been sent to my wallet. You see it is waiting confirmation. It means that the amount has been sent. And if you realize the withdrawal of Bitcoin from Dollah.co is very instant. So in this site you don't require a PayPal. You only require a wallet to withdraw your money, and that's all. And the withdrawal is instant, and you have other options to withdraw: PayPal, Visa card, and everything. So you go then into profile again. Then you go to withdrawals. You go to withdrawals here, and you can see there. You see the withdrawals send seconds, and I withdraw 1,660 points, $1.60. Let's go to my account here. On my FTX account, you can see the balance has reflected. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my YouTube channel.